Welcome back to Practical Pros. Today we are going to talk about how to crack one of the toughest exams in India, the Chartered Accountancy Examination. We are going to talk about how best you should approach the paper and answer it, because ultimately it's those 3 hours while you're writing the paper that matter the most. Final Chartered Accountancy Examination has 8 papers, each of 100 marks, spanning over 3 hours. Now, there is question 1, which is of 20 marks, which is mandatory. Then there are 6 more questions, of which you have to do any 5, of 16 marks each. Before the paper starts, you get about 10 to 15 minutes of reading time, and don't forget to strategize how to use that well too. So how exactly should you approach a chartered accountancy paper? When the reading time starts, you know that question 1 has to be mandatory. So start reading from question 2 till the last question and eliminate the one question that you do not wish to do. If there are 10 minutes of reading time, make sure it takes you about 6 to 7 minutes to do this. Then what do? Then go on to question 1. Question 1 is mandatory. So start formulating answers of question 1 while you in the reading time itself, while you have those 3-4 minutes left. Now, when the 3 hours start, remember that there's only half an hour per question, because totally you have to answer 6 questions. As soon as it's 30 minutes, stop that question and move on to the next one, even though you may have only 2 more minutes left, because those 2 minutes extra on one question is definitely going to affect you in your later on questions. Start with question 1, because that normally is about 4 marks each with 5 sub questions, and time it to be only for 30 minutes. Then when you start doing your optional questions, attempt those questions first that have many sub questions, so that it's not one large question. What normally happens is, when you attempt a question that has only one question of 16 marks, it normally takes much more than 30 minutes. So leave that for the end, because if you start with attempting that, it will take you more time and you will panic because of the amount of questions that are left. So leave those for the end. Do those questions that have sub questions of 4 marks each, then 8 marks each, and then the 16 mark question. Doing this will ensure that you stick to your time limit, will boost your confidence as in when you attempt the initial questions, and will ensure that you can attempt a minimum of 100 marks, because if you want to clear chartered accountancy, attempting most of the questions is very, very important. So future chartered accountants, I hope you enjoyed the session and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the button below, so that you regularly get updated and you successfully complete the examination. That's it for today. We'll come back in the next session talking about more tips on how to crack this exam. Until then, study well and all the best.